Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to Food with Dev. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe for Vietnamese stir-fry eggplant. I hated eggplant growing up because I couldn't stand the texture, but as I got older, I got used to it and it's quite delicious. Here are all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. For a serving of 4, you'll need 2 eggplants, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. To start, step 1 is to cut the eggplant. Trim off the ends on both sides of the eggplant, then you'll want to cut them into sections about 2 to 3 inches in length. From there, slice them in half. If you prefer smaller pieces, you can cut them into thirds like so. Just note, the smaller the slices, the soggier they'll get when you're cooking them. Next, mince the garlic. Step 2 is to make the sauce. You can add in all the ingredients in a pan while cooking the eggplant, but I highly recommend you mix them before. Since everyone has a different taste preference, this allows you to adjust the ingredients to your liking. For this step, add in the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce into a small bowl, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, add in the 1.5 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, the 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and half of the minced garlic we cut earlier. You'll want to save the other half for frying. You can also add in 2 tablespoons of water to get a more liquid consistency. This is optional. Then mix it around until the sugar completely dissolves. For the last step, we're going to stir fry the eggplant. Add in about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to a pan or wok on high heat. Next, add in the rest of the garlic. Wait until it's golden brown in color, then add in all of the eggplant. Mix it around for about 1 minute for it to cook evenly. Next, add in the sauce that we made in step 2, and continue to stir for another minute or 2 for the eggplant to soak in the sauce and completely cook. And there you have it. Now you know how to make Vietnamese stir-fry eggplant. A simple and delicious recipe to flavor up your dinner. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by hitting the like button. I would highly appreciate it. Until next time, have a great day, and now it's your turn to get cooking.